Sharon, and I'm back with another video. I have 3 Coach items to unbox with you today. But first off, I'd like to welcome you to the channel. Welcome to my existing YouTube family. I appreciate your support. And hello and welcome to all of my new subscribers. I appreciate you clicking on the channel as well. So let's get into it. Okay, so this goodie is from Dillard's. It is going to be the first of this silhouette. That's kind of what I've done with these sale items, is kind of round out my collection with silhouettes that I've been interested in participating in. Okay, good sign. Factory wrapped. Any guesses? Oh, you can kind of see it through there. Okay. All right. I've got my first Coach Kisslock, and I couldn't be any more thrilled. I love the short summers we get here in New England, and now I have the perfect summer forever bag. I had a tote size straw bag and it was just too large. This is much, much better, and it adds a lot of versatility to my summer arsenal. I also realized that I do gravitate to gold hardware in the summer too, if that makes any sense. But I'm really excited to have this. Let's dig into her a little bit more. Okay, so here is this gorgeous girl all unwrapped and on her shoulder strap. I looked at this bag for a long, long time and I couldn't see the muted olive. And quite honestly, the raffia looks like traditional raffia straw. It is the strap that's the muted olive, as well as the hang tags. Absolutely love this. It isn't a beige straw, but it's almost more like a wheat straw. So I am thrilled. It adds a little bit of diversity to my raffia collection. Okay, next up, let's get into this one. All right. Okay. This is the early August drop from Coach that has landed in department stores. And again, this is a bag that I do not have in my collection yet. I got the Plaza 22 in red. Love this. Oh, wow, nice. Okay, so much like the Nolita, it doesn't let you take the one side of the strap off. I didn't really look very hard when I bought it. My bag sister Sarita had showed this in a short, and I immediately reached out to her and said, I need that bag. And she was sweet enough to send me the details of her essays at her Dillard's, and I was able to grab it. Oh, she's so cute. I think she'll be great as an SLG in a lot of my big bags, or a shoulder bag when I want to use it with gold hardware and my Coach platform red sandals. We'll do some styling shots at the end. And lastly, this is a purchase I did off of the app Vinted. I don't know whether it was World Cup or when Mom and I were watching the WNBA, but something about the Vinted app has then become on my radar. So I ordered something from there. And I ordered this super cute wallet. So cute. All right, this this wristlet is pretty mangled, but I think I paid $20 for this, so I'm fine. I have plenty of wristlets I can use, and who knows, maybe I can even steam that straight. But I just thought the style of this wristlet, this was adorable. Gently used. Oh, look at the inside, not too shabby, nice and slim, like I like. Let's look at any corner wear. Again, for $20, I could care less. Could pull out my Sharpie marker if I have to. Oh, this is adorable. So now I have a gunmetal wallet. Awesome. All right, well, let's close out this video. I hope everybody is out there living their best life. But if life is lifing, I know you got this. We are on our road to 500, so please consider subscribing so you can be part of the giveaway. All right, see you in the next video. Bye.